To empower women and represent women in every sector, Karbinim Soching Thurasong KNCA was established on 1st of August on 1986. Like every year, this time around KNCA celebrated its 36th birth anniversary at Diphu Club on 1st of August. The 36th birth anniversary was headed by KNCA Central Committee President Renka Tarupi and Bina Rongpipi. After the flag was hoisted, a short prayer was offered to pay their deepest honor and respect to the departed souls of the members of KNCA. On this occasion, a peace rally was also organized around Diphu Market, demanding the safeguards of women and also to waive the loans of those who are unable to repay at Microfinance Bank. They submitted a memorandum to Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma, Chief Minister of Assam, and Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CM of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, through the Deputy Commissioner of Karbi Anglong. Protima Inghipi, General Secretary of KNCA, spoke about the assurance given by Chief Minister of Assam on his speech to waive all the pending loans of women at Microfinance Bank before the MLA election as well as the MEC election at Assam and KAAC respectively. But many women from Karbi Anglong district haven't benefited from it. Therefore, Protima Inghipi, General Secretary of KNCA, appeals to waive all the loans as early as possible.
Ake hai Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma non ke alangli Chief Minister lo halasod alangli swarlo athengno lamchak pitekang ja alangli jong se hai det lo polotangte lapen alangli tum jong se sarkar seng un lo polotangte swarlo phan prengdo anta bondhon arohon anapurna lapen North East Small Finance Bank aprengdo an stame pajok pon labji mate tupi pon lapo se alangli lamchak edu sta non theglong lo 5% back sonsi alangli mane inut bahini phansi 2.4 son amanon ke ongdung rong ru balong ke do sorlo tuma bangke la so preng pen penang an ka siksak nang chetong lo atheke hala microfinance employee atum stame ke ther ke happen sorlo tum han la bangso apreng ko sonsi alangli tum mane ke hang pon la so ki sik sonsi dokok.
Members of KNCA informed that instead of waiving their loans, the banks often threaten them for their arrest and blockage of their documents if their loans are not paid on time.
Di anisita rohona sarwang mati asar pen baido wanglo pare di yong sinang tumla so poisa na yitute pulonte non poi wang bangke police on pensi wang po mathana na ponde yi pusini tumhana therka pen idea huen ta lok labi pusina therka phasa bura long wanglo masa bura bang la chini pinine derma hi dipen la ko huema tha puni hela kuni long tanon po moi ta ko wang thulang so sina therkang lo.
Therefore, the workers of KNCA appealed the government of Assam to implement the promise of waiving all the loans of women at Microfinance Bank at the earliest. Failing which, the association ensures of raising strong agitation in the coming days and the government would be held responsible for it, said the workers of KNCA.
Ani stani them 27 ani ta bang lo he poisa nai rong bang kestinai rong bang lo ama non poi hala ni pinana pinisi pon documents he apon po police phan pini po kaina papon det punona ni ka sap yalu.
News Desk report for Karbi Anglong Live.